Hey, what's up guys? I'm installing my Fuelpax 4.5 gallon gas tank, and I just kind of want to show you kind of how we did this. Went to Metal by the Foot, bought a piece of 6061-T651 aluminum, 1/4 inch thick. It was like 70 bucks. Bought the Fuelpax mounts. We have little, 1 inch spacers? Yeah, 1 inch spacers. I'll show you those why we have those in a minute. Bought the Polaris lock and ride, little expandable rubber deals that go in the lock and ride system. I'll show you those here in a second. So yeah, let's get started. Basically, here's how we mounted these. Use carriage bolts. We had to buy longer carriage bolts with the 1 inch spacers to bring this up so that the fuel tank doesn't dig into this nut or that nut. Really that nut, because this one doesn't dig in handle. This is the lock and ride system. Use these things. Just take out the wing nut and use these nuts. All right, pick that up real quick, please. This? Yeah. So basically, run the carriage bolts all the way through with the spacers, and use lock nuts, which we couldn't really lock them down, as you can tell, but whatever. And then this is the lock and ride system. And we put 2 nylon spacers on here to bring it up off the body of the four-wheeler so it doesn't hit the lid. Don't want to damage anything. Alright, let's put it back on. Cool. Let's put the fuel tank on. This is pretty neat. So it's going to sit a little bit above, as you can tell, which is fine. Cool, that sits like that. 1, 2, 4 adjusts. So that's going to sit just like that on the four-wheeler. And then we'll tighten down these nuts here to make them expand in the holes, and it will hold really tight. Drilled a couple holes back here for my carabiners. Carabiners? Yeah. And what I'm doing with those is I got this little fender back here, which is kind of cool. And if you notice on the Polaris 1000, at least the 2018, it doesn't have anywhere to mount this.
I'm not sure how that works.
Alright, back to it. So we use the carabiner to mount this part of the bag to that, and then we're going to go around the hook here for this side of the bag so that it all buckles together. This is the American Trails fender bag. It's supposed to be waterproof. Had really good reviews on Amazon. So headed out to Colorado for I think 8 days, and just trying to get all set up for the trip. So this is gonna be perfect. I'm gonna love it. But yeah, so this is a pretty cool little system here. And once we get it all tight, it shouldn't move at all, and then you'll have 4.5 extra gallons of gas. Bada bing, perfect. There you go. Have a good one, guys.